Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle and power. Park level, engage the handbrake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid airbags or electrical faults. Once done, slide the seat fully forward and recline the backrest so you can reach the rear mounting bolts and underseat connectors. Make sure you remove the small plastic trim covers over the bolts. Use a torch. Have a 10 mm ratchet and Torx T50 ready plus gloves. This saves time and prevents clipped wiring when you begin unbolting. Next, you deal with electrics and the middle fasteners. First, disconnect the seat belt pretensioner and underseat wiring harnesses by pressing the release tabs. Do this gently to avoid breaking the clips. Once wiring is clear, unbolt the middle track bolts using a long extension to reach tight rear fasteners. This prevents rounding heads. Then tilt the seat back slightly to access the forward bolts and to check for any hidden clips. Make sure to support the seat as you remove each bolt. For the final removal, get a helper and lift the seat straight up off the rails while you watch for upholstery catches and wiring snagging. The seat is heavy and awkward. Place it safely on a padded surface. Then inspect all connectors and mounting points for damage and replace any broken clips or bolts before reinstallation. If the seat won't move, check for a missed bolt, seized sliders, apply penetrating spray, or trapped wiring under the rail. That troubleshooting tip solves most holdups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.